Hey, welcome back to Truly Art-Rageous. I'm Neil, and joining me later for the drawing is going to be Juliet. Today we're going to be drawing a get your fins up, a shark. Alright, let's do it. Alright, for this you're going to need a piece of paper, pencil, and an eraser. And then we're going to do one last step, and you can feel free to do this or not. We're going to ink it. Alright, so first step here is that we're going to draw a lighter line, curved line, like that. And then you're going to come in darker, stop about there, jump, and you're going to draw a little darker over there. Guess what we're going to put right there? Guess, you're not guessing.
Oh, in the middle?
Yeah, what are we going to put right there?
A fin.
That's right. Alright, so the fin comes up, curved line like this. It's kind of like a bent triangle. It goes down like that. Alright, let's move on to the next step now that we have the upper part of his body in the fin, or her, could be a her. Let's draw the nose. Now the nose kind of bends backward a little bit. So we're drawing a line down like that. Okay? And then I'm gonna make a kind of evil shark, I think. That's things that you can do while you're drawing is think about the character, what they do, where they go. So my guy's gonna be a little bit dastardly.
Can you explain that, please? I don't know that word.
Evil.
Oh.
Mean.
Just say evil.
So you've got the line going down here, and then almost a reverse of the fin inside of the mouth.
Without going like that, I'm
Yep.
guessing.
Yep. Okay. Now we're gonna draw the lower part of his body, and I'm going to do another sketchy light line because we're going to erase again all the way to here. Then I'm going to come in and say erase, 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 erase.
It looks so weird right now.
And the reason why I draw so light is because I'm going to come in and darken it, and this gives me a place to put my line. It's kind of a guide. Okay, so then we're gonna go down. We can stop right there.
Kind of what we did on the top, but reversed, I'm guessing.
Yep. And then we're gonna go over like that.
Okay.
And guess what we're gonna put here?
Fin.
Fin. So this one comes out kind of the reverse of the top fin. It's gonna go out like that. And this one's a little flatter. So now you can see there's a little bit of space on this side and a little bit of space on this side. I'm just gonna go ahead and complete the line there.
I already did that.
Yep, Juliet jumped ahead. All right, next part, we are going to draw his tail. So because he's kind of cartoony, I'm gonna make his tail kind of small. So it goes like this, kind of like a not a half moon, a quarter moon.
A banana.
Or a banana. Banana.
Have you watched our Bob the Minion video? All the minions love bananas.
Oh yeah. If you like the Minions, go check that one out. Alright, so on our next step here, we are going to draw his gums. Because great white sharks have some big old gums. They pull their the upper part of their mouth out when they take a bite. Alright, so next step here, we're gonna draw his teeth, best part. So sharks have teeth that are constantly growing because they are constantly losing their teeth. And
Whoa.
What happens is the broken tooth falls out, and then there's one right behind it to replace it. So that's kind of why I put this out here, because if you look at a shark, especially in the bottom row of their mouth, it kind of hangs outside a little bit. And I'm just doing these teeth shapes pretty basic, just little triangles. And then the bottom row, same thing. I'm gonna come up like this. I'm gonna make this one a little thinner though. And then I got another tooth there, another tooth there. All right, next step, we are gonna draw his gills. Because fish have gills, and a shark, guess what?
It's a fish.
It's a fish.
It's a big fish. My mom actually didn't know that. They thought they were like a different kind of mammal, but no, they're a fish.
Yeah, they're very big, especially the female great white sharks. They can get up to 2,400 pounds. Huge. Okay, so these are kind of like...
They're staples.
Yeah, they kind of look like staples. So just kind of a half of a rectangle there to indicate the gills. Okay, now we are going to draw the eyeball. So I'm gonna make kind of a furrowed brow here for my shark. And I'm gonna draw just a round circle underneath that. Okay? So you have an S shape there and then a circular shape underneath. But you can also, if you want to, just make him a happy shark. And the way you do that is you would erase this line up here and then just put a normal curvy line.
Like this.
Just a normal curvy line.
This is good.
All right, and so I'm gonna draw in his pupil. Okay, just another circle on the inside like that. And then I'm gonna do something a little goofy. I'm actually gonna color the white part of his eyes black. Because if you look at a shark's eyes, it's pretty black. There's, I don't know if they actually have pupils, or if just the black part of their eye is the pupil.
If you guys know, leave a comment down below because you might be wrong. He probably is.
I probably am.
I'm pretty sure
I'm
they
not
have pupils.
I'm not a scientist. I just play one on TV. All right. And our last step here is going to be to draw the nostril, which is just a backward 7, like so.
Or a V on its side. Or a check mark. Because his looks like a check mark. Mine looks like a V. I'm going to make mine a little bit more like a check mark. Alright.
And actually, I lied. We're going to do one more step. We're going to draw the fin on the other side.
Oh, yes, because they have 2 fins.
They do. And while we're doing that, I think I'm gonna get a little fancy. Okay? So I'm gonna go right here and I'm just gonna draw a little wavy line all the way through. Just a little wavy line.
For his belly.
Yep, because great white sharks have white on their belly. And then I'm gonna draw a little wavy line here too. Just like that.
And you do not have to be this fancy. Yours could be a different kind of shark that doesn't have a white belly. You could make your shark a unicorn. You could literally put a unicorn horn on this thing. You could do whatever you want.
All right. Now comes the part where I am going to ink this. So I'm going to put this in kind of a quick style, but essentially you're just using your Sharpie to go over your pencil lines. Let's get started. All right, that's the shark inked up. Feel free to try that if you want to. You can also do what Juliet did and add a little bit of background to her picture. All right, so that's the shark. Thanks very much for tuning in. Be sure to subscribe, tell your friends about us, and hit that notifications button so you know when our new drawings post. We'll see you later. Bye.